Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Uh, gonna open some stuff that's arrived from AliExpress and one envelope from Amazon. So the job title for today is Current Conjurer. Today I'm the Current Conjurer, and we're going to be jumping over to the bench to have a look at what's in this big bag of stuff from China and what's in this envelope from Amazon. So let's pop over to the bench and see what we got here on the bench. So I thought we might as well do the thing from Amazon first. I think it's batteries. I'm not really sure. I've just been restocking lately. What have we got? Oh, I see. Yeah, this is pretty boring. This is it's a pretty cool package that it came in. Isn't that neat? I'm going to keep that. Pretty good little bag with a little seal on it, and it's got a hole in it for air pressure. I don't know. We'll see about that. This is for recycling. And yeah, you don't know what this is yet, but I do. It's a business card holder for putting business cards in. I found myself with uh, a bunch of credit cards, and I just wanted to get them organized. So that's what this is. There we go. I don't know how many it can hold, but it's a lot. So that's good. I'll use that later on to organize my business cards. Now, the next thing to do is open the stuff from China. So just give me 1 sec. All right. So thought I might just start with these two little things. What have I done with those scissors? Here we go. So we're doing the old AliExpress bag within bag. So I think I've got it down pat now. I'm starting to understand. Well, not understand, but recognize. Okay, this is DC power. Great. I'll bring over the things. I'll be right back. All right. Well, these are my DC power drawers, and they're chock full, aren't they? And I got more of these ones because I like these ones the most. You see, there's not many of them in there. It's because I've used them all. So um, if you can find these in the show notes, I would definitely recommend them. Uh, I've used them fairly extensively now, and they're good. So, I'll do this in time lapse. All right. So, not sure how to get into this one. Let's just try along here. Oh, okay. So these are sockets. So I got these for the learning the art of electronics videos. They're so that I can run power into my circuit boards. Oh, so I've obviously cut that open there. Whoops. Give me 1 second. All right, so this is the box that I'm going to be keeping them in. What are we going to do? I think we'll just chuck them in. They can stay in their bags. There's no reason to take them out at the moment. I might actually just get myself a little container. So I'm going to scrapbook all this at the end. There's no reason to take them all out, so they can stay there. Yeah, it's all fine. So yes, very good. I'll put that away. All right. And up next, we've got some wire. So, what have we got? This is 22, and this is 22. So that is just literally spare wire. I'll find a spot for it up in the wire. This, I don't know what this is. Ah, it's more heat shrink. Yeah, right. So just pop him out of his plastic container. All right, that's all well and good. That in the corner. Looks like the same again, maybe. Yep. So it's just another box of heat shrink. Very good. Now, with these particularly, I found myself needing the really small bits. So that's good that there's plenty of small bits in there. Those are small, those are small, those are small, those are medium. These are big. I don't need the really big ones, but I do need heaps of those small ones. So that's good. And I hope I've got like 5 of these. I really want to get a whole heap of it. We've got wire. Wire, wire, wire. All right. I'm just going to go and get my wire box. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And this is my my box full of wire. So we've got 20 gauge and 20 gauge and 18 gauge. I don't know if we're going to run out of space here. We may. Let's see. 20, 20, 20, 18, 18, 22, 24, 26, 20. So I might say, hang on a sec, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. And what I've done is I've got myself a spare box here. So we've got wire here. We're going to call that 22, 22. I'm just making a label here. So we're going to call it 22 AWG, and we'll call it less than or equal to. So we're going to want symbol, basic, Greek letter, number, shape, punctuation, mathematics, and we're going to want so we're going to want greater than or equal to 22, greater than or equal to 22 AWG. All right. So that's can you see that? I'm not sure. It says greater than or equal to 22 AWG. And then we're going to do symbol again. Symbol, basic mathematics. Okay. And we're going to do less than or equal to 20. It's coming out there. All right. So just chop this label off here and this label off here. And so the one that's less than or equal to 20 is the one here on the right. So put that there. All right. And all right. So we can just pop that in there and we'll call it done. All right, well, I'll go and put the 2 drawers of wire away. All right, so the last thing to do here is to pop out the wire that I got for the breadboards. So we'll do that quickly. Let's throw you over to the room cam. There we go. And let's grab the old scrapbook out. And we're looking for a piece of paper off the back here. So we'll take one of those. We'll pop him over on the bench here, around the bench. And we'll just glue in our little bit of scrapbooking. So we'll just time lapse this. All right, so that's all done, and I'll just throw you over there, and we'll file this. And that's a wrap. Throw the farewell cam, we'll wrap it up. That's a wrap. So yeah, just a quick mail call for you there today. Mostly wire, wasn't it? It was wire, wire, wire. I'm very happy to have this wire though, I have to say. And also the heat shrink. So yeah, it wasn't a bad haul. I suppose the business card holder was the least exciting thing today, but it'll be good to organize my business cards. So I'll do that now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to click like and subscribe.